Taiana Lewin, back here again with another video. You already know the thing, set little bit of everything. If you read the title, then you know I'm coming with a little quick install. Here it is. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I installed this hair. 150 density, 18-inch lace frontal. I think it's 13 by 4. It's also body wave. I didn't have to do much curling. So it is a highlighted wig slash ombre. So I think it's a trio ombre. There's 3 different colors. As you can see, it's blonde, black, and then it's brown at the ends. I think it's cute. Absolutely love it. So if you want to see how I install this hair, then stay tuned. All right, guys.